Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you are well and fine at your home. In the previous session, we had completed 2 questions, right? Now we'll start with the question number 3. Question number 3 is what? MCQ. Now, first one, dash minus 78,396 equal 12,345 means what, which number will be subtracted from 78,396 to get this 12,345. आप कौन सा नंबर इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे कि आपको 12,345 मिले. बट हाउ टू फाइंड दिस? what you will do to find this, you will add this two number because यहाँ पे जो टोटल नंबर है वो क्या है, इसमें से ही ये वैल्यू आपको मिली है. टोटल नंबर में से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ होगा तो ही आपको ये वैल्यू मिला होगा, राइट. सो आप क्या करोगे, इसको प्लस करोगे. दिस यू विल ऐड दिस 2, तो यू विल गेट द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ हियर. ओके, सो व्हेन यू विल ऐड दिस यू विल गेट 90741. अगर आप 90741 को इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपको ये वैल्यू मिलेगी. ओके, नाउ 21,345 माइनस 8989. इफ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट यू विल गेट 12,356. show calculation. okay, in the notebook you have to show calculation compulsory. 44 lakh plus 20 lakhs. You will add this, you will get 64 lakh. In dash, the place value of phi is 5,000. Means in the given option, here in the given option you have to check in which number the place value of phi is 5,000. See, first one is place value is 5,000. In the B one it is 500 and C one it is 50,000. So in option A the place value of phi is 5,000. Okay. Fifth one, an angle with the measure dash is not an obtuse angle. Means from the given option you have to find out that which angle is not an obtuse. Not an obtuse means it should be less than 90. That means option A, 45 degrees an acute angle. Angle PQR cannot be written as. अब आपको ऑप्शन दिया है, आपको बताना है कि एंगल PQR किस तरह से नहीं लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एंगल Q इज राइट. एंगल QPR इज रॉन्ग. यू कैन नॉट राइट लाइक दिस बिकॉज इसमें आप देखो vertex is changes. you cannot change the vertex. जो center point होता है this Q, you cannot change this. और यहाँ option B में क्या हुआ है, वो change हुआ है. that means this cannot be written as like this. okay, if it is 3 o'clock in a clock, which type of angle it is? now in 3 o'clock it form a straight angle, that is right angle, right. 3 o'clock ऐसे होता है, so it is 90 degree, right. now which one is an arms of angle XYZ? arms means, for example, this is an angle XYZ. एंगल के दो आर्म्स होते हैं, राइट. दैट इज YX and YZ. in the option first one XY is given, so you cannot write that. YZ is given, means this is given to you, so this is one of the arm of angle XYZ. so option B. okay, you will write in this. Next, what is the vertex of angle PQR? Vertex means the center point, that is angle Q. What is the measure of the largest angle in the set square? That is 180 degree. okay, so here our MCQ completed. This you have to write in your notebook. Show proper calculation in your notebook. okay.